is some warm water. It does say...
I do it.
I'm going to show you how to do it in just a second. Okay, we're going to sit this right over here. Alright. You building a garden today?
Yeah.
Alright, you going to plant some seeds? Awesome. Now let's get our potting soil. And...
It's finished. It's finished, Tita Layla.
Leah.
It's finished.
Is it finished or is it spinach?
It's finished. I do it now. I do it. Whoa. What is that?
This soil.
I want to do it too.
Okay.
I'm gonna need help.
Let me give you a little something to dip it out with.
Good job, MJ.
Good job. Can you do another one? Good job. You're doing a fantastic job, sweetie. You need some more water?
No. Yes. I need more.
From there. Oh, MJ. Here, do this. Good job.
I want to do the seeds.
Okay, we're gonna do the seeds now.
I want to do this one.
So this is spinach.
Yeah.
We're
I
gonna
want
put
to
a little
laugh.
spinach. Okay, let me open it for you first, please.
Oh, Wally.
Riley, don't knock the camera over, please. So we're doing spinach first, Leah,
I want to do it.
and we're gonna do one row of
Teacher
spinach.
want to do that. I want to do it.
I'm gonna put them in my hand, and I want you to pick out a few and put them in. Here, pick them out of my hand. Not all of them. No, not all of them, baby. Only 3. No, no, no. Look, right here. Here. One more. Just one more. Here. We're only putting them in this row right here. Only this row.
I'm going to blow.
Just put 3. No, no, no. In here. Okay. Leave that there.
A flag.
It's a flag.
I'm going to do it again.
I know. I got some more seeds for you. Now, this row, put 3 in here. 1, 2, 3. How many is it? I don't know. Oh, PJ, you just put about 1,000. Put them in this one. One more. Put those in that hole that you made. Use your finger. Okay, good job. Now what we're going to do,
Do my seed.
we're going to do some more. Just 1 second. We're going to cover these up. So poke 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The next one we're going to do is...
That's a flag.
Okay, here. Take 2. Just take 2. Don't take a whole handful. Just take 2. Drop it in the hole you made. Just take 2.
That's way more than 2.
I know. He doesn't. No. Here. Wait a minute. That's way too many in here. I said just take 2, right? Look. Wait just a minute.
MJ.
Wait a minute, honey. Okay. Wait a minute. We got 1,000. We're going to have 1,000.
Oh, that goes so long.
Come here, little boy. Give me that cheek. Give me the cheek. What? What? What's so funny?
So tell me what's going on here.
Whoa.
Did you do that?
Yeah. I'll touch it.
You want to talk to him?
No, I won't touch it.
What are you going to say?
Hi. Little leaf, Dana. Little leaf.
It is a little leaf.
It's babies.
What are they?
It's babies. It's babies. Hi. Nah.
Just a little bit on each one.
Another.
Yep, another one.
Another.
Yep. They're little babies.
Yeah.
Here, do the tomatoes.
Yeah, I got this.
What?